POV, you're making $3,795 every single day online making Fortnite maps. And that is exactly why today I'm going to be showing you the exact necessary fundamental steps and requirements you guys need to literally just copy me at the palm of your fingertips and achieve the same success making money online making Fortnite maps, just like this game here, which is making $10,000 a day, which only dropped 3 days ago. So it doesn't matter what stage you guys are at watching this video, you're going to learn the exact necessary steps and requirements you guys need to get started making money online making Fortnite maps. And to make it easier for yourselves, everyone who joins the Discord in the link in the description will get a free pre-made successful map that they can literally just repost and make thousands of dollars a month, and it doesn't matter what skill set you guys are at. Join the Discord in the link in the description. Of course, this video is going to be completely run unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. Let's get right into it. Let's make you guys all rich making Fortnite maps, because this is the POV of how I'm making over $3,700 every single day online making Fortnite maps, and let's show you guys exactly how you guys can achieve the same results too. Alrighty, so how do I actually make money online making Fortnite maps? Baby, what is a Fortnite map? How do I get started? How do I achieve the same success just like you are? Well, if we head on into this website here called Fortnite GG, I'll retype it in so you guys can understand. It's right here, Fortnite GG. What you guys can essentially do is get an estimate of how much people are actually making. This is the website where you guys want to be tracking how much money online the best maps are making on a day-to-day basis. Because if we look here, this map right here by Hive, 1v1 with every gun, has 52,000 players, right? That was its peak. And it's making over $1,100 every single hour, which is $25,000 a day. And if you put that into calculations, that is around $1 million a month. That is unheard of for a video game company giving out money to the fans and consumers making products in their game. Never has that ever happened. And that is why Fortnite is giving out 40% of their monthly income and revenue that they make per month to the top people inside of the space making maps. I'm one of those people included. If you guys look here, the average map creator has an average map count of 7, which means that every map they make, they're only making on average 7 maps before they quit, which means there's a lot of financial upside and return for you guys to get inside of this industry. Because if we look here, only 13 people have made over $10 million, which means that that's $130 million that they gave out last year just on 10 people. Okay, that means you guys can fully capitalize on the actual benefits of making maps. But to actually get started, all you guys have to do is search up Fortnite Epic Games Launcher. And essentially what that is the platform where you're going to download UEFN, which stands for Unreal Editor for Fortnite, which allows you to actually build games. Of course, guys, you do have to be 18 years of age to actually get started, but you guys already know that. But if you want to bypass this, literally just use your parental guardian information. It is really not that hard. A lot of people confuse it. They think, oh, I got to spend money. Oh, I got to be a certain age. You can literally bypass it with your parental guardian information. Show them this video. I'm sure they'll be more than motivated to want to help you when they see the financial upside of making maps. So once you guys have actually downloaded the Epic Games Launcher, all you literally have to do is open it up and go ahead and go to the search bar at the top here, and you will search up Unreal Editor for Fortnite, just like this. Unreal Editor for Fortnite. Like I said, guys, this video is going to be completely run unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. I like to keep it authentic. I like to keep it all fresh. But like I said earlier, guys, everybody who joins the Discord will get a pre-made free map that they can literally just repost. So I'm going to be choosing this Pillars map right here and posting it and showing you guys how much money I'm actually making. And if you guys want these maps as well, literally just join the Discord so you guys can get yourself started, because that's what we're going to be doing. Why would you not join? It's completely free. And we have a whole network of people making millions of dollars a month inside of here. But we're going to hop onto UEFN and show you guys exactly how to actually learn UEFN. How do I actually make a map? What am I looking at? I'm going to show you guys exactly what you guys need to know. Okay, so we are inside of UEFN. For all of you guys watching this video, some of you are familiar with UEFN. A lot of you guys don't understand what you're looking at, right? So this is exactly what you guys need to get yourself started. UEFN is the platform and the playground to actually allow yourselves the capability to make Fortnite maps and profit off of it. So this is the map that we're going to be loading into, okay? So what I want you guys to do is go into island templates. We're going to load into a flat XL grid island. I'm going to walk you down exactly what you need to do to make maps. And then I'm going to load into the free maps so you can get in the Discord and post them and show you how they're making thousands of dollars for everybody inside of the Discord and just people on Fortnite making maps themselves. Because why would you not want to save yourselves time and the headache of making maps where you can literally just post a map that's already made for you and innovate off of it? Like I said, guys, the discovery will impact the results of your map if you just upload it flat out. You have to be specific with the criteria and details that you want to transmit inside of your Fortnite island. You actually have to be super specific when you guys are making your maps. It needs to be out of the ordinary. It doesn't have to be so niche, but it does have to have a lot of details, colorful engagement, and it needs to be actually appealing to players when they're actually making your maps, which will show you a replica of what I actually mean. But pretty much what you guys want to do when you load into UEFN, WASD, this is what's going to guide you through UEFN when I'm moving. And you hold the right click on the mouse, right? And you can move around and panel through. If you guys want to change your camera speed, you can go to the top right over here. You'll move around. And here at the bottom right, we have the content drawer. This is pretty much all of the contents that Fortnite has in store for us, which we can literally just drag out. For example, if we want to drag out AI or audio devices, we can literally just drag it out just like this, right? And we can move these arrows here and it will move it up and down and left and right. My webcam may be covering it, but right here it is scaling, as you can see, right? And if you guys want to scale it here, you can right here. But this is essentially how you guys want to be making your maps. And of course, if you want to copy and paste things, hit Control-C, Control-V, and you can drag things across just like this and copy and paste all of the items inside of your world. But that is not what we're here to do today. I'm here to load into the free pre-made maps to help yourselves get started. And we're going to load into this realistics map right here. Here we go. So we're going to load into this nice, awesome realistics map that you guys can literally get for completely free. Obviously, guys, I have mentoring and coaching if you guys need that help and assistance to propel yourselves forward on your map making journey, on your rise to power, on your rise to success, and making money when you guys are making your maps. We have 220 students inside of the Fort Mafia inner circle, one-time payment, I will mentor and coach you and show you all of the unique strategies and secret tips that you guys need to propel your Fortnite map making journey and make yourselves more money online. So if we go here, here's the realistic Fortnite map, okay? This is what you guys need to be building when you guys are making your maps. This is a full island that you guys can actually have. I'm going to load into another one because, quite frankly, this one isn't as good as the ones that you guys can choose from in the Discord, of course. We'll go into this red versus blue one. This is the actual most profitable maps that are making the most money. These are the most generic, but they also have the most high returns and profitability when you guys are actually making your islands inside of Fortnite. Because the top red versus blue guy, he's in the Discord. He's made over $20 million with literally just one Fortnite map. Okay, so there's obviously a lot of benefit when you guys are making your islands and experiences for kids to play because you guys are making games for kids at the end of the day. You have to realize that we're creating core childhood memories for these kids that are playing your maps, okay? So here we have this map right here, red versus blue. Sometimes the computer will freeze on you, and this happens at any computer. When you're first loading into a project, it has to render all of the shaders and scripts and assets right here at the bottom right. And then you can load into here, and here we have a nice Darth Vader versus Luke Skywalker, red versus blue. This is perfect for May the 4th be with you, Star Wars Day, which is why people are posting these maps and making thousands of dollars a day, making islands and experiences for kids to play, right? So here we have this nice, beautiful map here, which you guys can get into Discord. And of course, guys, obviously I have tutorials where I can educate you guys, but this is essentially how you guys want to be getting started. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure to claim your free pre-made map in the Discord in the link in the description. It's been a pleasure having you watch this content. Let me know what types of videos you guys want to see next in the comments down below. It's been your boy Davey Davis. Click the last video on the screen. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach out down below. Just send me a text message. You got my email. Without further ado, I'm out. Peace.